This is one of the most expensive kitchen trash can setups. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why it was totally worth it. Our house was built in the 80s, and back then, I think this is where people used to have their trash cans, under the kitchen sink. But for a family of our size, this is simply too small of a space to fit trash cans and recycling bins. But as I was scouring my kitchen to find a place to put a trash can, there simply wasn't enough space. But one thing we did have was a lot of extra cupboard space. And that's when we decided to install the Rev-A-Shelf kitchen cabinet trash cans. In our last home, we had something exactly like this. But we did have an experience that my husband actually broke the trash can by pushing down way too hard on it when it was full of trash. You see, the one that was installed in the old house was a cheap version of a pull-out trash can like this. The metal that was inside was super weak and could barely hold any weight. So when he decided to push down on the trash can, the whole thing collapsed and we had to get it rebuilt. So from that experience alone, we decided to go straight ahead with the more expensive and sturdier version, which was the Rev-A-Shelf brand. This Rev-A-Shelf pull-out trash can is the 35-quart, 8.75-gallon bottom-mounted undermount soft close slides in silver. Rev-A-Shelf uses Blum hardware, an industry-leading German slide with progressive damping technology. And the maple construction is so beautiful. This is a solid wood frame versus a wire or a basic steel frame like most of the cheap ones. And not only that, when we purchased this Rev-A-Shelf brand, this was a fully complete system. This came fully assembled and all we had to do was install it into our cabinets. It even came with both trash cans, and there's a lid for one of the trash cans. This has a 135-pound capacity, so my husband is most likely never gonna break it. Not only that, these come with a lifetime warranty. Lastly, just check out how smooth this opens, and this soft close is so great. I don't have to hear any loud banging sounds when I close the trash can. Check out the links in my description for where you can purchase this Rev-A-Shelf pull-out cabinet trash can. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my Amazon storefront for more household tips and tricks.